Hey, what's up guys? I thought I would shoot a video to show you the importance of really understanding and knowing your target markets. As an example, I just left a property that I'm in the process of rehabbing right now, which is we're fixing up. It's a 3-2 with a pool. Should be done by the end of the month. As I turn around the corner, I drive by this property right here, this blue and white house, and that house is a house that I purchased from a wholesaler for $90,000 and then flipped to somebody else for $106, and then that person fixed it up and flipped it to this individual here for $169. And now I'm gonna start driving, and the next street I turn on is gonna have a rental of mine, and then 2 blocks up from that another rental where we're actually in the process of probably going to be getting rid of that tenant. So when you know your target market real well and you're driving through it all the time because your properties are localized, if you're a landlord and if you're fixing and flipping, you notice stuff. You'll notice a house that's vacant, or you'll notice things that you wouldn't notice if you're just sitting behind a computer, right? So if you really want to get out there and look for deals, it's very, very important for you to be out in your market at least once or twice a week. If you're just wholesaling, it doesn't matter. You're wholesaling, you sign a contract and you flip that contract to someone like me. But if you're actually out there looking for houses to buy and hold and fix and flips, you've got to get in your car and go out at least once or twice a week and go to the same market all the time, so you know what you're looking at. All right, so that's a quick tip for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.